Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off chat within the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the chess.com game on your device. And once you open it up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and enter your email address and your password or use your social account in order to log in. And once you have been logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to turn off chats within the game, then tap on More at the bottom right corner and then tap on the settings option. From the settings page, go ahead and tap on Play. And now underneath the Play settings, you will see the Allow Chat option. Click on the drop down menu and then choose Nobody, and this will turn off chats for everyone within the game. If you wish to change your settings once again, you can come back to the same page and then change your Allow Chat option and enable it based on your wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off chats on the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.